Hey guys, so I'm working on a Samsung dryer, and the problem is that the motor just hums. It won't turn the drum. But if you turn the drum by hand, it'll take off and it'll run on its own for the rest of the cycle. So I went online, checked out all these forums, and they all say, oh yeah, you gotta replace the motor. Some of them say, oh yeah, you can lubricate the shaft, the motor shaft, and the centrifugal switch here. But I discovered something. Maybe the solution or not, but let me get to it. I'll show you what I found. Let me unplug this. I'm going to take this. Pull this guy off. There's a piece of tape right here that I had to cut. Once I got that cut, I was able to open this guy up. I'm going to have to bend that just a little bit. Okay, maybe a little more. There we go. So this cover comes off. Now, looking inside here, you see the contacts, specifically this one right here. That goes back and forth when this lever is pushed by the centrifugal switch. That guy right there. Okay, see those two things moving? However, this one, see that little piece in there? Right in there? I'm going to dig that out with my knife. This is really hard to do with one hand. Almost. Got it out. Okay, so that piece that just went flying somewhere, that is your contact face. That's the one that actually makes contact between those 2 points. See that one there, and that one there. But as you can see, let's see if I can get the light on here better. I don't know if you can see that. But where that piece is supposed to be, yeah, there you go. You can see the hole. It's completely worn out. That piece is gone. And now it's on the floor behind me somewhere. But anyway, that's what's going on with this thing. That is why the dryer can't start on its own. So it's not the entire motor that needs to be replaced. It's just this thing. So, there you have it. I'll put this back together and replace this part, if I can find it. And that should fix the dryer. Alright.